All right, folks, so what you're seeing here is something very unusual. A hearing aid with no earbuds, no tubes, no wires, just pure bone conduction. This is the Mearsun, an OTC bone conduction hearing aid. Now, you guys have probably seen bone conduction headphones like the popular Shokz, but this is something different. Bone conduction works by bypassing your eardrum, sending the sound straight to your inner ear through vibrations, no speakers. But does it actually work as a hearing aid? Well, that's what we're going to find out. Now, this is just the unboxing. The full review is coming soon. I'm super excited to tell you guys all about it, so stay tuned.